Thank you very much. My name is Patrik Ollas, and I represent RISE in this project called Probabilistic Forecasting for Battery Management. And you see a list here of the participants. So it's RISE, we have people from Uppsala, the same research group that was mentioned before. We have Chalmers, Herrljunga, grid operator. We have TMF, which is responsible for distributing the results to those who want to have it. We also have a wholesale PV company called Cell Solar who's got the market knowledge. The idea of this project is that we will try to, if we could in some way have a perfect prediction of the future in terms of both PV energy and the load that is happening in a foreseeable future, if we have that, how would we then dispatch or charge and discharge the battery in the most economic way? Because this is meant for the household owners with the purpose of making a battery storage a good investment, basically. So if you could see the next day or so what the power peaks would be, the pricing of electricity, and also how the usage or net usage, which is the PV and the actual load consumption, how that would be, and based on that determine how you would dispatch the battery. So we have, from our participants, we have some 3,000 measured household electrical profiles that we are meant to sort in different clusters based on their peak performance, or if they're align well or not with the PV production that is present. We, or Uppsala in this sense, have developed a forecasting model for the PV production, and also using an AI script, also determining how the load consumption will be based on data from previous years and training this model. We will also, based on these different clusters, we'll also come up with the most optimal solution in terms of PV and battery ratio, and also depending on how you dispatch the battery, how the economical benefit will be. And the icing on the cake, as mentioned before, we will also demonstrate this. So it's not only models, we will also do this in a live case in RISE's research villa in Borås, where we have a battery system and a PV panels. And we'll apply this forecasting dispatch and see what the results are.